Hello, everyone. This is the weekly review from January 11th to January 15th for Human Geography and Early World History. Our four-class focus wrapped up on connecting skill development. We had our exit ticket earlier in the week. Then we switched up and started a new focus on a previous executive functioning skill, perseverance. We examined trans-Saharan trade and the spread of Islam in sub-Saharan Africa. Student goal was to be able to trace the development and impact of trans-Saharan trade. Things that were involved in the development included trade in numerous goods such as ivory and gold and the extensive use of camels. And the impact included the spread of Islam and an improved economy. We worked on the first post-classical formative assessment that was student-generated. You went into breakout rooms if that was required. The assessment focused on comparing two regions or civilizations from the post-classical period of your choice, and you compared them politically, economically, and culturally. We also talked about long-distance trade and diffusion in the Indian Ocean basin in this same time period. The goal was that you were able to examine the effects of this long-distance trade. We focused on effects such as the establishment of city-states on the East African coast, the improvement of maritime technologies such as the lateen sail and the stern-post rudder, and the diffusion of various religions, which would have included Islam and Buddhism. Our examination also included a review of Indian Ocean trade using an Edpuzzle. Lastly, we focused on post-classical Americas. Your job was to be able to compare the political, economic, and cultural structures of the Maya, Inca, and Aztec states. We engaged in an exercise that did that and came up with some common themes. A common political structure among the three was centralized authority. A common economic structure was the practice of trade. And a common cultural structure was the presence of social hierarchies within each of these civilizations. What's happening next? Our last week together, we're going to have a writing prompt that's going to introduce something called the question formulation technique. You're going to use that question formulation technique to work on the last assessments, or part 2 of the post-classical period unit. And we have a short week, just a reminder, Tuesday through Friday, with shortened classes. That's it for now. Take care.